I am absolutely thrilled beyond belief. I can't tell you what it means to me. I think the writing for young people coming out of Wales and from Welsh writers at the moment is phenomenal. So to be recognised alongside some of those authors and stories it's just a dream come true, to be honest. My writing at this point has been for young people. Wilde is my fourth book. My first three were Ellen's Island, Gaslight and Sea Glass. I like to write about Wales. I'm very inspired by Wales, the landscape and the people, and the culture and the history. So I like to weave Wales into all of my stories. I again was inspired by the landscape of Wales and the people of Wales, but more specifically with this book, Wilde, I was inspired by the young people that I've worked with across Wales in different schools, and the courage, the bravery, the challenges that they face every day. So that's where the story started, really. It's a celebration of them. An unexpected breeze drifts across my shoulders and I look up at the waterfall. There's something behind it. I see that it's a bird, a red kite, stuck there by the looks of it. What if it can't get out? I need to help it. Perhaps the water's too fast for it to fly through. I can't just leave it there. I keep my back against the slick cliff. Some of the water rebounds off the rocks and sprays up into my face. I move slowly and with care. I don't want to slip into the pool beneath me. The others were right. There's a space where you can walk behind the water, a sort of shallow cave. The kite is at the far end. It won't be able to hear me because the water is thunderous, but I still make soft noises not to alarm it. Kites don't befriend people unless they feed them. It won't come close to me. I'm soaked to the skin as the water hollers down, a cathedral of moving white. A million voices of water shout and whistle and sing. It's okay. I won't hurt you. I'm going to help you to get out. It flies directly at me. I topple and almost fall. The kite breaks through the water wall and is gone, leaving me in this echoing kingdom of sound and light. I laugh until I'm completely out of breath. It's so wondrous here. I reach out with my hands and play the cascades of water like harp strings. I watch the world beyond in shimmering pictures. The gorge and the river bounce and waltz. The view changes shape. What's happening? Pictures are appearing in the water, real pictures obscuring the valley. Women dancing, firelight, a family, a cottage, and a girl at the window. Your mother could see things, Wilde, in glass, in water. May used a strange word, something like crying. Scrying, that was it. The pictures become clearer in front of me. I'm trapped by them, watching the water morphing to show me image after image. The sunlight filters through, making it like a film screen. They are starting to make sense, the dancing shadows. They are telling me a story, the story of winter and what really happened. The pictures from my mother's book all slot together and she is here in my heart and in the story I have to tell. I watch it all play out in this world of water. I know the real story. I've always known it. And now I'm the one who has to tell it.